Hi, it's Rob Shadow Tech, and today we're looking at the Unitech EA520 device from Unitech. It's a 5-inch display. It's got an integrated 2D scanner in it with scan buttons either side, or programmable buttons. There's an additional programmable button just here. You've got a power button here, volume here and here, removable battery. It's got 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. And today what I want to show you is the Microsoft Teams Walkie Talkie function. Now, you might have seen this in the news recently. Microsoft have rolled this out more widely to both Android and iOS devices, and on some devices they've enabled a button on the side of the device to be used for the push-to-talk function, which, as you can imagine, is quite handy. So this is being positioned as a replacement for traditional two-way radios, straight walkie-talkies in large premises, retail outlets, warehouses, that sort of thing. So instead of having two devices, you can just use your rugged device, which you'd also be using for scanning in stock, doing stock lookups, that sort of thing. Very simply, on the standard Android app, you press to push, to talk rather, and release to release. So push to talk and release. And what you can do is you can specify which channel you're listening to. So I've created one called PTT Test, and that's the channel I'm on. So now on this particular device, one of the blue scan buttons is also can be mapped to the walkie-talkie mode. It's automatic out the box, so you don't have to do anything. It's the left-hand button, and to activate walkie-talkie mode, you press the button and release to release it. Quite simple. These devices are very reasonably priced. Online, you'll find them for somewhere in the region of about 320 to 330 UK pounds, exclusive of VAT. I'm in the UK, so I'll be using pounds as the currency, which is very, very well priced, and half or a third of the price of some more expensive models from other vendors that really don't have a great deal more functionality in relation to the device itself. So very good price, and it supports Microsoft Teams Walkie Talkie out of the box. This one's managed by Intune, so again, no issues with managing these devices. They are standard Android. This one I think is Android 11. It's a GMS as opposed to an Android Enterprise Recommended device, although there are other slightly more expensive devices like the EA630 in the range which are Android Enterprise Recommended. But for a lot of people, Android GMS will be absolutely fine, and you'll get half yearly or sooner updates on the GMS devices, and typically quarterly on the Android Enterprise Recommended devices. So yeah, the EA520, so nice display, it's pretty responsive, and yeah, there we are. As I say, the main thing I wanted to show you was the Teams Walkie Talkie, because that's one of the features that Microsoft are pushing at the moment. And you can actually get it on a device that costs a little over £300 exclusive of VAT, which I think is absolutely fantastic value. Anyway, thanks so much for that. Feel free to ask any questions, leave comments. Do feel free to subscribe, and if you want any other content on the channel, then do let me know in the comments what the sorts of things you'd like to see. I tend to deal with smartphones and rugged devices, but I do cover a multitude of other bits of technology as well. So yeah, feel free to ask, and we'll see what we can do. Thank you very much. Bye.